Hello guys, this is just a quickie tutorial. I'm sorry for my quality. I'm going to show you how to talk you through on how a quick way to brand your YouTube channel. This is Claude from Drone Effects, so here we go everybody. It'll take a few minutes. So what you got to do, it's really simple. We go over here, we're going to click on here, we'll let the screen load, and you're going to see this. Okay, first thing we're going to do is you notice my intro and outro videos, my videos for people who haven't subscribed and videos for people who have. Then we go up here, you'll see this thing. It says layout, branding, and basic info. Click on branding, and you'll notice it brings up this page with your channel art, your thumbnail, obviously. Then we see the channel art, your header. Then we see the watermark down here. You can see the watermark right there. This is all part of branding. You want to import a watermark. This picture has to be just a regular square picture. It can't be rectangular. And if you you can upload that picture. Mine already has it here. You see it says change. But you can you go here and you can upload your picture. Once this is all done, we're going to go back up here. You're going to see basic info right here. And you'll see, what you're going to see is my channel description on my videos. It says drones and aerial photography, love flying drones and unique drones as well. Here's a link to my Teespring account. Here's my URL for YouTube. Then here's my custom URL. Then down here, these are the links. So if you look at people's channel art, they have links where you click on them to go to places. This is where you would put the links in. You put subscribe. Then this is an email. Here's the link for that. You can replay this video if you want and bring it back up. Then like here's my Instagram account link, my Teespring, my StreamYard account referral as well. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to go over here to the settings right here. You're going to click on the settings wheel and that brings up this box. The first thing that pops up is default unit, which is your currency for whatever country you are at. Mine is US dollars. Next thing to do, we're going to click on channel. I clicked on channel over here, and you'll see this is basic info, advanced setting, and feature eligibility right there. So basic settings is what you see here. This is a very important section to fill out. I'm from the United States, my channel name. And you can see all these hashtags come up. You need to fill in, put all these hashtags, because what happens, this is all that puts your channel out there in the general public to see. So you put, like mine says drone, DJI, live. Hopefully you guys can see this. Live streaming, FPV, 4K, live talk, drone footage, my channel, drones I own, and all that. So you've put all these hashtags in there. Once that's done, you go to the advanced setting. This is where you got to comply with the COPPA laws. And I put on here, no, my channel's not made for kids. If you was to click off made for kids up here, nobody could comment on your videos. So you got to go here, and you can do it. Also select it where you can manually review each video and however you want it set up. You can also here show potentially inappropriate words. So if somebody's in your channel is typing something that's not appropriate, they won't let it come up. You can disable interest-based ads. I'm actually going to unhook that one because that's what my channel's about. Then we go down here, and this is all your advanced settings where you can maintain your channels and stuff. Then we go to featured eligibility, and this bottom one requires phone verification. So I would recommend you take your cell phone and verify your channel. And I apologize for the dog barking right now. And this will also give you custom thumbnails if you're under 1K. We go back over here. We're back to upload defaults. My title name, and the way this is done, I can just have my main name there, and I can just quick put my title in. So these are all my join my channel, my membership perks, and all the other stuff. And these are all my affiliated channels like Droken and like that. We go to advanced setting, and this is where you got to make sure this is all set up. If you notice down here it says users can view ratings for this video. Well, you can go in and uncheck that box. That way it doesn't show your actual count from thumbs up and thumbs down. If you don't want it, I disabled it. Then we go up here because I'm a monetized channel. I click on monetizing. This is where I select how the ads are going to run in my videos as well. So once we get all this done, we go to permissions. I am the owner of the channel right there, and there's my email account, obviously. Then we go to community, and you can see this. Those of you that are not members of my channel, these are all my channel moderators that come into my channel live stream. These are all people that I give wrenches to. So these are my moderators right there. Then we go down, approve users. You can do manual if you want. And these are all hidden users. These are all what is referred to on YouTube as trolls. So these are all troll channels right there. Okay, we fill all that down. Then we're going to go to agreement. You can see mine says YouTube Partner Program Terms Agreement. Commercial Product Addendum. This contract applies to several alternative monetized streams. Well, there's the agreements from YouTube because I'm a monetized channel. Once you fill all this stuff out and you click over here and it says save, and it takes you back here. Then when we go to my main channel, which I'll X out of here and I'll show you how this works. You'll see up on top here it says subscribe, my Instagram, Teespring, and StreamYard. Well, if I click here on the spring here, that's how these links work. And right there's my Teespring store. This is where all my merch and apparel's at. So that's how easy it is to brand your channel. You definitely want to do that, especially if you're going in a situation where you're wanting to be monetized or you are monetized. It actually puts your stuff out in the search engines out here. They say, well, it's hard for me to do right now, but if you was to click on my channel, you may see my do a quick search for my channel name, which is DroneFX. It will bring up my channel quicker because it is now branded. And so these are all my videos, of course. And like I just did a quick live, and this is with my neighbor next door, and I had 14 views already. So, and you can see I do live streaming as well. So that is a quick tutorial on how to brand your YouTube channel. I had people ask me about it. Turn around here. I've had people, you're seeing my green screen off right now, but I've had people ask me about it, and that's basically how you do it. So if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future update. I do drone as well as YouTube tech, as well as product reviews on this channel. So feel free to check out my channel. You never know what's going to be there, as well as I do live streaming at least once a day. So come on out and hang out with me, and thank you very much for coming in and watching this mini tutorial on how to brand your YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.